Okay, so the green lights are on. Yep. Gotta get that protection going. It smells awful. Cleaning mineral oil out of power supplies. As best you can get. I would spin them on, but I don't think that's good, so let it all burn. I'm gonna have to buy more after this. And if your power supply no longer works, shoot the hoop, not my problem. You know what, I got a better way for this to work. Okay. Yep, drown it. Oh god. There's like none left. Oh, this smells horrible. Oh shit. Putrid, you can smell it in the back of your throat. Oh, dump the rest in. Toast the cables. Oh, God.